Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and here is a tutorial guide for you that how you can use Veed.io for edit your video and add some exciting and cool subtitle for your video. So you can do is you can add auto subtitle, you can add brand kit from here, you can just like this, you can add your logo, you can also add dubbing for your video, or you can also create text to video by the AI, and also you can find AI clips, AI avatars, and also the recorder if you want to record your screen right now, and you can find more feature for your screen recording here. And this is actually a powerful AI that can help you in different niches. So you can do is you have to log in or sign up for an account. So I'm going to sign up for a new account here. So simply click on sign up. You can use your Google account, Apple account, or Microsoft account, or you can use your email and password for the custom credentials. So I'm going to use my Google account. That is pretty much easy. Simply click on continue and give all the instruction here. Now here you can see it is asking you some question like the name of yours, and you can add your profile picture here. You can add your emails for editors that you can invite to the same account. So I'm going to continue and again continue. Now simply for work or personal, so I'm going to go with personal here. Now what is the main purpose of your video? For demo product or promote business or anything like here, you can choose your anything from here like this. And how often you create video, that is I'm going to answer the question all of this from here. What platform it is YouTube, and simply click on continue, and you can get it into their newsletter or get some updates and discounts and tips from here there in your email. So you can give yes, and there is for plan for you, that is the free plan that you can get watermark video, auto subtitle for 2 minutes per month, and 720p export, video export length, upload file size, and try AI feature once. So this is actually for trying this AI for those that you want to try it, and if you like that, then you can go with this free this paid option here. So you can go with the Blade or the Pro and also Enterprise here. So you can go free and simply click on continue with free plan, simply click on it, and there is lots of restriction actually. Now if you want to create a video, so you can upload a video from here. For example, I'm going to upload a video like this. Now when you upload a video, you have to wait until it uploads it, and here you can see it has just uploaded. Now you have to do is here you can see uploading. When it's completed uploading, then you can add some subtitles according to the voice. So right now this image is not associated with any voice audio, so you can simply click on it. You can add animations, adjust this color and all this tone of it, and you can edit the script, and you can create text to images, and also you can speed up it, and the clean audio, you can create clean audio, and also all of this from here just like this. There's lots of features that you can use. Also you can find some audio that you can use. You can use background music, you can use text to speech and voice cloning also, and also you can add some images from here like GIFs, or you can generate an image, or you can use background from here just like this. Also you can add text from here. That is pretty cool right now, I think, and I like it very much. And there is like some sort of animation here, also some animated stickers, any type of shape that you can use. So that's how you can just do it, and it's up to you how creatively you create a video or edit a video. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. And most interesting thing is you can use this AI to give the instruction that you want to have on your video. So that's pretty much all thing. Thanks for watching. Till next time.